Hello guys, it's Genevieve Tabele Norman. Guys, I picking this now. Yung beans na sinasabi kong palagi kong hina-harvest, still there is beans in there. Hindi ako magtataka if God bless me here. Sa yung tomater, kamatis, tomatoes, ako naman nagtanim niyan talaga. Din yung beans, si Frank talaga. Tapos Genevieve, hindi ako magtataka if still the beans is still growing, and hindi ako magtataka ba if still there is beans there. Maybe God bless me at all. Maybe God tell me that this is the reward that I given to you, Genevieve Norman, of your hard work. Kasi hindi naman lahat nabubungahan eh. Not all have fruits. Not all have like that ba. Pero to me, I'm very happy that every year God bless me sa crops. Hindi ako nagmamarunong. Hindi ako nagpa-pride. I'm just only sharing. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Bye. Happy Sunday, guys.